Good morning, my friends. Today we're doing grammar lesson 9.6 on interjections. And this lesson on interjections is probably the easiest lesson we've done all year or that we're going to do this year. So let's get started. Now, an interjection is a word or a phrase that expresses a strong emotion, such as happiness or disgust or surprise, and it's there to get your attention right at the beginning of the sentence. So an example of that is, hey, you dropped your ticket. So the interjection is hey, followed by an exclamation point, and it's right there to grab your attention at the beginning. So when we're using it at the beginning of the sentence, we have some choices. We can set it apart with an exclamation point, and it's split from the rest of the sentence. So an example of that is, no, exclamation point, I can't find my ticket. Or ouch, exclamation point, I just stubbed my toe. So it's still a part of the sentence, but it is set off by an exclamation point from the rest of the sentence. The other way to use them is as a part of an exclamatory sentence. So we used them before when we were doing the lesson on the different types of sentences, and we talked about exclamatory sentences. And when it is used in an exclamatory sentence, it is followed by a comma, but it is still at the beginning of the sentence. And then the exclamation point is at the end of the sentence. So let's look at those examples. Oh, comma, how exciting the game is, exclamation point. So oh is the interjection there. Yes, comma, I will marry you, exclamation point. Yes is the interjection. So that is basically it. So this list is not all of them, but these are the common interjections that are used most often. So make sure you get these written down and become familiar with them. And let's practice a little bit. So your practice today is going to be exactly this. They're going to give you sentences and you have to find the interjection. I know, that's going to be so hard. So remember, it's going to be coming at the beginning of the sentence and it's either going to be followed by an exclamation point or a comma. Let's get to it. So the first one, oh dear, someone tall is sitting in front of us. What's the interjection there? Hopefully you said, oh dear. The next sentence, wow, that was a great shot. What's the interjection there? Hopefully you said, wow. Third one, no, I can't believe the referee's call. What would be the interjection? No. So when you write these on your paper, if they are set off by an exclamation point, make sure they are capitalized and make sure you include the exclamation point. Now, if they are not followed by an exclamation point, you just have to write the interjection. So in the next one, ah, there's another foul on our team. What's the interjection there? You should have said ah, and notice we're not going to include a comma because it is not a part of it. Next one, oh, there are only 2 seconds left. Interjection is oh. And the final one, hey, there's a heron. Can you see it? Interjection is hey. So that is it. That's all you have to do today. Hopefully there's no questions, but if there are, don't forget to send me a message, ask me questions over email, however you would like to do, and I'm more than happy to help you. I hope that you have a good rest of your day. Bye.